two top web hosting brands step into the spotlight. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Bluehost, trusted features and robust performance. And on the right, iPage, simple, budget-friendly hosting. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, before we go full-on comparison mode, hear what I'm looking at, and you can picture this as a mind map if you like visual stuff. We'll cover pricing, features, performance and uptime, ease of use, support, and website migration. Cool, let's go in order. Okay, kicking off with pricing. So Bluehost comes in with entry plans that honestly don't break the bank, especially if you're eyeing VPS or a full-on dedicated thing. There's always some kind of juicy discount floating around. But a word of warning, all those handy add-ons and upgrades, they sneak up when you renew. And yes, shared hosting does start at $2.95 a month if you're paying annually. Now iPage, ridiculously cheap shared hosting. Like $2.99 a month, plus a free domain for the first year. Everyone loves free stuff. The catch? Fewer plan choices, and the value kinda dips once you get past that entry level. So for pricing, Bluehost scores a little higher, subtle flex. Let's talk features. Bluehost is kinda famous for stacking those options: shared, VPS, dedicated, managed WordPress. It's even officially recommended by WordPress. Oh, and SSD storage is a win for speed. Free stuff alert, you're also getting CDN, SSL, and email with Bluehost. The basic shared plan is sorta stingy though, only one website allowed. Now iPage goes unlimited with websites and storage if you're just starting out. If drag-and-drop website builders are your jam, they've got that too. But there's a ceiling. Only shared and WordPress hosting offered, so if you plan to get fancy, look elsewhere. On features, Bluehost really just pulls ahead here, no contest. Up next, performance and uptime. Bluehost kinda sets the bar here. 99.9% uptime guarantee, pretty quick load times like 2.5 seconds, which is solid, and some extra security features thrown in. Now, is it always the fastest? Nah, you'll find some speed demons out there, but most folks won't notice. iPage is like, we'll do the job for personal or small sites. Decent, but you're looking at 99.5% uptime, less safety net. And you have to do backups manually, not super ideal, so again, Bluehost nudges ahead. Oh, and here's something cool I found. Did you know Bluehost is one of only 3 web hosts officially recommended by WordPress.org? That's kinda exclusive. Ease of use, this is a biggie. Bluehost runs with that modern dashboard vibe plus the industry standard cPanel. Easy WordPress installs, click, done, but honestly all those options might be a little overwhelming if you're just getting your feet wet. On the flip side, iPage keeps it extra simple with their own VDEC panel and a built-in site builder for folks who don't know their DNS from their FTP. But if you grew up on cPanel, there's a bit of a learning curve. So while both do a good job, Bluehost edges it out because of the familiar setup. Rolling into support, Bluehost straight up gives you 24/7 live chat and phone support. There's also a huge knowledge base and email troubleshooting, pretty thorough. Only downer is no ticket system, which some pros want for complex issues. iPage, 24/7 support too, but mainly live chat and phone. Simple questions sorted fast, though the help center is more basic. So for anything beyond basic stuff, Bluehost is who you'd want on speed dial. Lastly, let's talk website migration. This is where things get interesting. Bluehost offers free migration for your site or domain and makes it super straightforward. If you've got a complicated setup though, heads up, a fee could pop up. iPage though, no dedicated migration help, you'll be rolling up your sleeves and doing it all by yourself. Takes time, more room for mistakes. So yeah, Bluehost wins hard here. If you mapped out the head-to-head scores, Bluehost honestly takes the lead in almost every area. Think higher points for pricing, features, support, and well, you get the idea. iPage stays competitive for super cheap hosting, but fades in other categories. You know what? Bluehost is really for people who want room to grow, reliable uptime, and advanced features. They're serious about their websites. But iPage is great if you're on a tight budget or just starting with a simple site and don't care about all the bells and whistles. Totally different vibes. Enjoyed the comparison? Stick around, 'cause I'll be breaking down even more hosting face-offs soon.